Welcome to day 4 of your transformation journey. Let's be real. You've been putting in the effort, drinking more water, eating more veggies, but something still feels off. You've been stacking wins. First, you hydrated. You got intentional. Then, you brought color and life to your plate. And now, it's time to fuel your strength. Today is all about protein, but not just for muscles, for momentum. Because protein isn't just for athletes or bodybuilders, it's for you. Here's the science. Protein helps you feel fuller longer, keeps blood sugar stable, and supports your immune system and metabolism. It literally repairs you from the inside out. And yet, most people don't get enough of it. Not because it's hard, but because we're not taught to notice. So today, notice. With every main meal, include a clean, lean source of protein. Eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, chicken, lentils, salmon, quinoa, whatever fits your lifestyle, just make it intentional. This isn't about perfection, it's about presence. Because when you fuel your body with purpose, you move through your day with power. Speaking of movement, today we sweat. At 7:30 a.m., lace up, get outside, or hop on a bike, or jog your block. 30 minutes of moderate cardio, not punishment, not performance, just motion. Because when your blood flows, your brain lights up, your stress melts, your mood lifts, and by the end of that 30 minutes, you're no longer just trying to be healthy. You are healthy, one choice at a time. You've done water, you've done veggies, now you're powering up with protein and movement that matters. This is where your foundation becomes your lifestyle. And remember, you don't have to overhaul your whole life to feel better. You just have to keep showing up, meal by meal, step by step, day by day. You're not waiting to become stronger. You already are. Let's go. Now, you've taken another step forward, proud, strong, and committed. Remember, transformation isn't a race. It's a journey. Keep building your habits, keep honoring your progress, and be gentle with yourself along the way. Every choice you make today shapes the healthier, happier you of tomorrow. Stay focused, stay inspired. We're in this together. If you're following this journey, drop a comment below, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring videos.